I need your help. So I'm building a brand new plugin called Working Title, the Put Me Anywhere block. So I need your help to name the plugin and also how to help me market the plugin. Normally this is my strength, but I'm stuck as stuck can be. And I'll explain what it does. Then I'll explain why I'm stuck. I got the idea for this plugin because I was using the Blocksy theme, which is a great theme, and they've built this functionality right into the theme, which is great. But if you don't use Blocksy, you can't use it. So the basic idea is you can create some blocks using the block editor, and then you can inject those blocks into anywhere on your site. So you could put them into specific places within posts or pages. So that's I'm imagining at the moment that will be the free version. And then I'm going to build a pro version, which will have specific packs, which will add extra places where you can inject these blocks. So you'll be able to inject them into things like specific places in WooCommerce, like in the shop page or the product page or category pages, or post the checkout page. So you could do like a sales bump. So it's really, really cool functionality. Let me give you a quick demo. This is a very early working demo. It does work, but it's obviously got some rough edges. So what you do is you go to the sidebar here where you find Put Me Anywhere blocks, working title, and you add a new block. You add a new section, basically. Now, because we're using the block editor, we can lay this out however we like, and we can use any blocks within this. But in a minute, we're going to inject this into a post, into a specific place within a post, which is the real power of this. So I'm just going to... what I'm going to do here is I'm going to want to feature one of my products in my WooCommerce store using this featured product block that comes with WooCommerce. And that's the block I created. Now I could obviously create my own blocks. I could add different things in here. I could add a recent post block if I wanted into this. So you can do whatever you like here, and I could customize this, but that's fine for now. But the cool stuff is over here in the block customizer. This is where I can, now this is very rough, but this is where I can decide where that block goes. And this is going to change. But for example, I can say, right, I want this block to appear after 2 blocks, after this number of blocks in my posts. Now in the finished version, you're going to be able to select which category and things like that this goes in. So you can say, right, I just want my jewelry to go in my blog post of type jewelry. So this would be very specific. This offer would just show to that. What's great about this is you don't have to put these in each post. You can just set them up here, and then they'll just appear automatically. They'll be dynamically injected into those posts, so it's really powerful. We're also going to have down here a start time and a finish time, so you'll be able to like set campaign times as well. And hopefully when I go to my posts, I've only got one post, and I go view, we should see, can you see how that block is now just dynamically injected after 2 blocks, which is what I told it to do. And that, it's not actually in that post. That's what's really cool about this. If I go to the post, it's not there. It's like magic. And if you wanted to edit that, you just go back here to Put Me Anywhere blocks, and you go back to your offer, and you can have multiples of these running at the same time. That's what's really cool about it. Let's say you want to feature a different product. I could feature my jeans instead. There we go. Go back to posts, view the post, and there's my new product. So it's pretty powerful stuff, I think. So a few things to ask you. One, do you like it? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it should be free? My view is this core version should be free and available on all themes with pro versions. 3, what about the name? Put Me Anywhere blocks. Dynamic placement block. What do you think about that? Is that a good name? A bad name? I think it's quite catchy and friendly, but that's just my view. And then how would you market this? Who would you tailor this towards? Is this going towards people with lots of blogs, lots of posts that they want to inject content within those posts, like products upsells? Where is the user focus on this? Who's the user persona? That's the bit I'm struggling on, because I can see it. It's a really cool plugin, and you can apply it. You can obviously apply this in lots of use cases, but it's almost too broad. So I'm looking to really narrow down the initial offer. So thank you. If you have any great ideas, or even any crazy ideas, stick them in the comments below. I'm going to be posting more and more as this develops. So if you want to keep in touch, just subscribe to this channel and like this video. That helps share it around, so we'll get more feedback as well. But I think it's going to be really cool. So thank you for watching. Let me know your comments, and I will give you updates as soon as we have them to the plugin. But we're looking at releasing it in the next 2 to 3 weeks from now. So it won't be too long. Okay. So thank you very much.